Hello, folks. Shrini here. Today is July 30th, and I'm making this video after the big tech earnings. Okay. So I wanted to just see where Google might be heading tomorrow and the week after. Okay. Google came up as one of the stock picks based on the scan based on my Ichimoku cloud and and as you can see here, the stock looks extremely bullish as per Ichimoku. You can see that it is above the cloud. And it is also you can see that the conversion line is above the baseline, and you can also see the lagging span indicator here, which is above the price in the 26 bars behind. So this chart looks extremely bullish. Well, okay, this is great information, but how do I plan my trade? What do I need to do? How do I position myself for tomorrow? So for that, what I would like to do is I would like to draw a Fibonacci projection. The way I draw the Fibonacci projection is I look at the extreme high, the recent highs, like at the top, extreme top peak. So I look at the peak and then go to the lows from there. So here I see this green candle which formed a low in between the swing low, and from there I draw the line Fibonacci projection um, onto the thing and onto the peak, and then I connect the other line to the low of the low, the swing low. So if you look at this, what has happened in the Google is it has gone up to the 100%. You see this, it has gone close to the 100% projection, right? The retracement has been close to the 100%. Now, where is this heading? My first target would be the 100% itself. That is at 1591, and my second target would be at 1657. So first, the stock I believe will go up to 1591, and it may go a little bit higher, cross the 1600, and then it would retrace a little bit before going back to the 161.8 line. So that is what I am expecting tomorrow and the week after. Now, to verify this, also there are a couple of things I wanted to show is the ATR. The ATR will also be a good indication of how much the stock will move per day. If you look at my ATR per day, it is like at around. I'm clicking on this ATR line, which is at the bottom, and I'm trying to please look at the rectangle, and that shows my ATR is at $40. And also, you want to take a look at your weekly chart. The weekly chart also looks very bullish, and you can see the ATR for the week is around $86. So if you look at it, the stock has been going up for the week from here 1488 plus 86, we are looking at around the 1588 range. So that pretty much explains what we are looking at. So plus or minus, so we can look at 1600 by next week. Okay, guys, I just wanted to share this information. If you like video provided value and helps you in assisting in your Google trade, would appreciate if you could hit the like button at the bottom of this video, and also feel free to leave any comments or feedback that you have. Signing off for now, and wish you a profitable day tomorrow.